Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Syazana binti Ramlee, and today I will discuss about health and safety in workplace, competency in industrial hygiene talk that I have attended delivered by TS Dr. Nur Azali. During the talk, he explained about Department of Safety and Health, also known as DOSH, and the competency course that we can take under them. From the talk, there are three problem statements that I need to discuss more thoroughly. The first problem statement is rules of ethics in making decision in organization. Uh, from the talk, the speakers considered that patient is need before we make our decision. He identify what he need to cover and has interest in. As a mechanical engineer, he choose noise ventilation. Despite his passion, he also know what his limit. Therefore, he choose not to become a scaffolding operator since he has acrophobia that is not good for his health. Other than that, before he making his decision, he also follow rules and codes. The speaker actually has qualification in gas tester, but he do not have at least 3 years of experience. Therefore, he choose not to become gas tester since he can make a mistake as a newcomer that can jeopardize society health and safety. The second problem statement is the importance of safety and health issue in managing engineering project. As we know, engineering project always involve hazard. Therefore, the engineer need to eliminate from creating hazard. If the hazard cannot be eliminated, therefore the engineer need to locate the source and cause of hazard in order to prevent further injury. Other than that, the engineer also need to follow safety rules while doing this engineering project so they can protect themselves. For example, they need to wear protection equipment and appropriate clothes. This is to ensure that the clothes that they wear do not cause harm and can protect their body. Next, all injuries must be reported immediately. Therefore, uh, it cannot cause more deterioration to victim condition. And lastly, the engineer also need to test the appliance regularly so that the electrical appliance is safe to use. The third problem statement is impact of professional engineering work to environment, public and society. For environment, by doing this professional engineering works, actually they can help to prevent pollution by removing waste in their project. Next, they also can reduce climate change and global warming by ensuring that the condition of circuit is correct, hence not creating fire. There are actually many impact of professional engineering work toward public and society. Firstly, is health. From the talk, the speaker said that noise risk assessor determine how much noise exposure that can be received by the worker. Actually, this job can help to protect the workers' eardrum and health in a long term. Other than that, engineers also need to halt their project if the project affects safety and health following the IEM regulation. Allah says that in Quran that we must rescue other people's life. As stated in Surah Al-Ma'idah verse 32, and if anybody saved a life, it is as though he saved the life of entire people. Next, for manufacturing and construction, the engineer need to ensure that manufacture and construction that they created is safe to be used and beneficial to others. For example, the engineer assists construction flood defense that can protect residents who live near the river. And lastly, the importance of uh, professional engineering work toward public and society is technology. Engineer actually create many technology that can help society and public, especially in communication such as handphone, Wi-Fi and others, and for medical such as EEG that can monitor our brain. In conclusion, when we making a decision, we need to follow our patient and know our limit. We also need to make our decision based on the code and rules that has stated by the organization. Next, we also need to eliminate hazard and follow the safety rule when we are managing the engineering project. And lastly, there are many positive impact of professional engineering work toward environment, society, and public. And from the talk, I also learned many things about the Department of Safety and Health. Thank you.